Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting parts and laying them out logically so you can work fast. First, choose lenses size for your phone, Fresnel for cost, acrylic for clarity, because lens choice controls focal distance and field of view. Once done, cut the cardboard or print the shell to match phone width and mark where the pupil centers hit the lenses. Make sure to place padding and straps now. This prevents rework later and ensures comfort when you progress to the next steps. You now install the optics and create the phone cradle, which is the complex core of a DIY headset. Position each lens using shims until you reach an estimated 35 to 40 mm focal gap. This sets clear focus for most phones. Next, secure the cradle so the phone stays centered and ventilated to avoid overheating. Once assembled, seal gaps with foam to block stray light and run a VR calibration app. This helps you tweak interpupillary distance and alignment before final sealing. You finish by focusing on fit and practical testing so the headset is usable. Attach straps and foam padding and balance weight so it sits comfortably without pressure on the nose. Then run several demo VR apps to evaluate clarity, motion latency, and double images. If you see artifacts, follow the key troubleshooting tip. Adjust lens-to-phone distance and interpupillary distance first, because small shifts solve most blur or ghosting. If problems remain, swap lenses or recheck mounting for flex that causes misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.